Stickers do crush over here. You look on any other platforms too. If you're doing research, if you're selling on Etsy, you're selling on Amazon, stickers do pretty much well all over the place. So my top selling product on Redbubble is stickers. I sell them pretty much every single day, right? And I'm pretty sure some of you guys sell stickers every single day too as well. Stickers have been like a very big eye opener when it comes to Redbubble, and it's the top selling product on my account, right? So what I want to talk about in this video is stickers, right? And how to find stickers on Redbubble and how to create top selling stickers on Redbubble. So first things first, we are going to do some research. I'm going to dive into the computer back there, and we're going to talk about different types of stickers and what sells, what does really well on Redbubble, and all that freaking fun stuff. One of the most important things is when you come over here on Redbubble, what I did, if I scroll up here, I came over here to stickers, all stickers, and then I sorted by best selling. All right, now you're going to see a lot of illustrations, okay? A lot of illustrations do really well when it comes to stickers. Like, you know, just, you can see, like, for example, like support your local street cats. You can see just illustration, you know, a graphic, and then with some text and stuff like that. And then like you see like the sunflower, this is really cool. And then also too, you're gonna see funny sayings, right? That's what she, right? The feature is female. Now you're gonna see these right here. These do really well. I've sell a ton of illustration stickers on my account, and they do really, really well. All right, now, but that's not saying that funny sayings can't do well, like text-based designs and stuff like that. Of course, in black text, not white text, because you can't see it. But it's all about like doing the research. Okay, you want to understand when you come in here, you're looking here, you want to see what's selling and what's doing really well. One of the cool things when it comes to selling stickers on here, you're gonna see come right here to this corgi set sticker. So it's like a sticker pack, right? This is cool because basically what you're doing is putting together like multiple stickers in one listing together, right? And basically all you're doing is, you know, just putting up a design and putting like separate stickers, separate illustrations and different variations of the, like, so for example, the corgi, different variations of the dog, right? Showing its butt, and then I think it's jumping right here, upside down, laying on its back, and there's a tennis ball. So that right there, kind of, if you think about it, the customer feels like they're getting more than one sticker, right? So it makes it seem like they're getting some type of deal. So something to think about when you're doing this type of stuff. And same thing, like look at the cactus stickers, right? It looks like they're getting more than one sticker in here, right? And they're paying pretty much like the same price. But it comes down to, like, look at this one right here, the astronaut with the record. That's pretty cool. And then the moons are, the planets are inside of it. But it comes down at the end of the day to the research, right? Because you can create anything, right? But is there a demand, right? And it comes down to doing the research. So what I always recommend is just using the Redbubble search bar. You can come up here and just search and think of things that you can do for your niche, right? And what can you do? Okay, right? If you're in a niche already and you have a top selling design, right? Will it look good on a sticker on Redbubble? Right? Because that's the thing. Illustrations, funny sayings, look at, to be happy, you're gonna see stuff like this. It all depends on your niche, right? You can literally just come in here on the search bar and see Free Britney, cat versus tiger. Let's say gamer, right? You type in gamer, okay? And then I'm gonna come over here, bestseller. Now, of course, you have to be careful making sure that you're not doing anything against the rules as far as like trademarks or anything like that. Now you're gonna see, when I type in gamer, you're gonna see a few different things here. Eat, sleep, game, repeat. Really cool. You should just get an idea. Okay, what can you do? You're thinking about what can you do to create an awesome sticker, right? And it just takes a little bit, like creativeness here. The sticker packs are really cool because, like I told you, you're just creating, or like you're making them feel like they're getting more than one sticker. So that's really, really awesome. But also too, just some type of illustration or funny saying that no one else has. Illustrations do really well is because, it's creating less competition. No one else has it out there, right? Because you kind of think of the idea and then you put it all together and stuff like that. I personally myself, I outsource a lot of this, so I have a team of like artists and stuff like that. I worked my way up to doing all this type of stuff, and having a team of artists, it makes it easier for me to think of ideas and put my ideas together and stay current with the times of, up to date with the trends and stuff like that with certain illustrations. You can see this duck has a has a knife, right? Like funny stuff like this, like stuff, crazy stuff like that does well. Dinosaurs, right? Gaming niche. Let's see, let's come back up here to dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, right? Let's type that in, and you're gonna see, look at the sticker packs here, right? There's a ton that you can do here, right? And just, I'm unstoppable. Little things like this, they sell over and over and over, and it stays up there, right? And they're just like my consistent selling sticker on my Redbubble account. It crushes, right? No one has it. It's unique, it's different, and it's one of the most unique illustrations in that niche, right? And I'm ranking at the top. And it just also, too, one of the most important things is, of course, your tags and stuff like that. So I have a video up here. Paying attention to how, like understanding what the niche is, your tags and stuff like that. It just all plays a big difference. Your title, describing like what your illustration is doing and stuff like that, or what is the illustration, right? It's gonna help you rank better and stuff like that. But this is really cool. Sticker packs, if you're not doing them, I would recommend you, let's say if you're dominating in one niche, let's say the dinosaur niche, you're doing really well in that niche. If you can grab all your illustrations and put them together and create a sticker pack, it's gonna basically, you're just creating less competition for yourself, and you're kind of just gonna stand out because you're like, whoa, I can spend $1.98 and I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stickers. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy this one instead of just buying this one sticker, right? But that's not saying that one sticker can't sell, because maybe that one sticker is, you know, very detailed and different from everyone else, right? So something that you have to keep in mind, right? So stickers do crush over here. You look on any other platforms too. If you're doing research, if you're selling on Etsy, you're selling on Amazon, or you're selling on whatever platform, right? Whatever selling platform, you can actually sell stickers over there, right? Stickers do pretty much well all over the place. If you even look it up on Google Trends, you're going to see that stickers are just, you know, easy to ship, you know, they're lightweight. So it's just something to think about. If you can sell stickers wherever, right? Wherever you can, you know, create something like this, sticker packs do really well, right? So something to think about. Hopefully this video helps. And all these right here too as well. These are all making sure you're just putting the design together and same way you would upload the dimensions and stuff like that, any other design, but you're just basically with the sticker packs, you're putting these together, right? And together, transparent background, putting all the designs together, uploading them, and then just putting them on stickers, right? And you can just enable just on stickers, but it's real simple, guys. It's really easy to do. Okay, just making sure that you just have that transparent background, and then putting it's almost like putting together a pattern, right? So yeah, make sure you guys watch my other video up here.